Correcting errors that do not affect the trial balance. Error of commission, correct amount, wrong account. Error of omission, both entries are not recorded. Error of principal, correct amount, wrong type of account. Error of original entry, correct account, wrong amount. Complete reversal of entries, correct account and amount, wrong sides of the account. Compensating errors, two or more errors that are not related cancel out each other. 1. A credit customer, M. Sandy, settled his account with a check for $250. However, M. Sandy's account was credited with the amount. Error of commission. Ledger entries. 1. A sale was made to M. Sandy on credit, so debit account receivable with sales. 2. He paid off his debt with a check, so his account supposed to be credited with bank, but 3. Another account, N. Sandy, was credited with the payment. 4. Debit N. Sandy with M. Sandy to clear off the mistake made. 5. Credit M. Sandy with N. Sandy to make the transaction right. General Journal. Error. Date. Details. Debit. Credit. 2021. $signs. 1. December 31st. Account receivable N. Sandy. Debit $250. Account receivable M. Sandy. Credit $250. Error of commission now corrected. 2. An invoice from a supplier D Limited for $1,000 was overlooked. Error of omission. Ledger entries. A purchase on credit was made from B Limited but was never recorded. Make the entries to correct this error. Debit purchases and credit accounts payable. General Journal. Error 2. Date is 31st. Purchases debit $1,000. Account payable D Limited credit $1,000. Error of omission now corrected. 3. The purchase of a new vehicle for $5,000 was debited to the purchaser's account. Error of principal. Ledger entries. 1. A vehicle is an asset but was recorded in the goods for resale account. 2. Credit purchases with motor vehicle to clear off the mistake. 3. Debit motor vehicle with purchases to make the transaction right. General Journal. Error 3. December 31st. Motor vehicle debit $5,000. Purchases credit $5,000. Error of principal now corrected. 4. A check counterfoil for $145 for insurance was entered in the accounts as $154. Error of original entry. Ledger entries. 1. A counterfoil is the part of a check, ticket, or other document that you keep when you give the other part to someone else. In this question, the amount is overstated by $9. 2. Credit insurance with the difference of $9 in the bank to deduct the excess. 154 minus 9 is 145. 3. Debit bank with the difference of $9 in the insurance account to deduct the excess. 154 minus 9 equals 145. General Journal. Error 4. December 31st. Bank $9 debit Insurance, $9. Credit. Error of original entry now corrected. 5. Cash drawings of $100 was debited in the cash account and credited to the drawings account. Error of complete reversal. Ledger entries. 1. The owner withdraws cash. Double entry is debit drawings, credit cash. Instead, the entries were reversed. 2. Make the correct entries to reverse the error. General Journal. Error 5. December 31st. Drawings. Debit $100. Cash. Credit $100. Error of complete reversal now corrected. 6. A payment for light of $200 was entered correctly in the cash book, but no entry was made in the light account. Meanwhile, the sale of goods of $200 was omitted and the cash received was entered correctly. Compensating error. Ledger entries. 1. Light account is missing a debit entry and sales account is missing a credit entry. 2. Make the entries with each other to correct the error. Debit light with sales $200 and credit sales with light $200. General Journal. Error 6. December 31st. Light $200 debit, sales $200 credit. Compensating error now corrected. Test yourself. Name the error in 10 seconds. Both entries are not recorded. Omission. Correct account, wrong amount. Original entry. Correct amount, wrong account. Commission. Correct amount, wrong type of account. Principal. Two or more errors that are not related cancel out each other. Compensating errors. Correct account and amount, wrong sides of the account. Complete reversal. What's the double entry to correct the error? 10 seconds. A credit customer, M. Sandy, settled his account with a check. However, N. Sandy's account was credited with the amount. Debit N Sandy, credit M Sandy. An invoice from a supplier D Limited was overlooked. Debit purchases, credit accounts payable D Limited. The purchase of a new vehicle was debited to the purchaser's account. Debit motor vehicle, credit purchases. A check counterfoil for $145 for insurance was entered in the accounts as $154. Debit bank $9, credit insurance $9. Cash drawings was debited in the cash account and credited to the drawings account. Debit drawings, credit cash. A payment for light was entered correctly in the cash book, but no entry was made in the light account. Meanwhile, the sale of goods was omitted and the cash received was entered correctly. Debit light, credit sales.